Why do I donate to the Y? Because of the kids. Everything the Y does, we never turn a child away.
I started working with the Y, helping them put on some of these chutes, and then later, learn more about the mission, the good it does for the community.
We're really honored to be a part of this event. It's grown so much in the last 16 years. It started out with just a few teams, and now here this year we're going to have 85 teams over 2.5 days.
Every year we come out here and shoot this thing, and it keeps getting bigger and bigger. And there's a lot of people and it gets competitive, but we're all out here shooting for the kids. And I got to tell you, we help a lot of kids by this fundraiser. It's one of the bigger ones we do every year. And it's just a great time, and it's a good bunch of people.
I couldn't think of a better cause than to give to the YMCA of Central Texas.